Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
ब्रिटिशांच्या टायमार लोक हांगा रावताले भितून वेरियस रायफल्स गन बी कितें कितें तेन्ना लिपोवन दवरताले अशें आमचे जाणटे सांगतात. ते 2 केव्ज आसात ते आयडेंटिफाय केले तांकां दाखोवपाक हाडले जाल्यार ते म्हणपाक लागले ही प्रॉपर्टी एअरपोर्टाच्या भायर असल्या कारणान आमी ह्या प्रॉपर्टीन वचूं शकना अशें आर्कोलॉजीचे ऑफिसर म्हणपाक लागले आनी तेंच्यांनी थंय येवपाचें टाळ्ळें. आमी आतां वचोन ती केव्ज आयडेंटिफाय करून पळोवन येयला पूण तेंच्यांनी थंय येवपाचें टाळ्ळें. तशी ती केव्ज हांगा लागता ती फूल एअरपोर्टाच्या पोनाकसून डायरेक्ट मोपा वयता, मोपा भायर सरता त्या सायडीक एअरपोर्टाच्या ह्या सायडीकसून त्या सायडीक रनवेच्या पोनाकच्या ती आमी आयडेंटिफाय करतले ती तांकां दाखयतले पूण ती प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीचे निमित सांगून ते ऑफिसर थंय येवपाक टाळाटाळ करता.
बाया वरकान पयलीं जेन्ना भुयाराचे फोटो धाडले तेन्ना ते पुरातन कशें दिसूंक ना.
In last month, that is March 2022, we received one email from a person called Baya Varak, and then upon which we replied to his email saying that if there are such evidences, then kindly submit us some photographic evidence so that on that basis we can again approach civil aviation to take us to the place where probably these archaeological remains exist. So the photo which was submitted to us did not look like any archaeological cave because the caves are of two types. One is natural cave and another one is man-made cave. So the photograph which was given to us along with email did not resemble to any of these kind of. Nevertheless, taking cognizance of representation, we visited the place along with officers from civil aviation, also the representatives of GMR.
मोपा एअरपोर्ट वाठारांत कांयच मेळूं ना.
After coming out of the Mopa Airport property, he pointed out that there is a tunnel which originates from one place and goes across the property of Mopa Airport. But that was located in a private property, so we did not have any access to that property, and neither we had informed the landowner. So we said that the visit was confined to Mopa Airport property, and which was alleged or which was suggested by Mr. Baya Varak that there are caves, but we did not find any such evidence inside the Mopa Airport.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी आनी मकबूल मार्गिमणी.